name is Melissa and I am a hot mom. What makes me hot? I said it, so it's true. I'm also confident, kind. I take care of my baby, my house, my husband. Those are my credentials. Okay, as a self-proclaimed hot mom, being a hot mom is priority. It is priority in our lives. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to make sure we look good every single day. And not for the superficial reasons, but because we deserve it. We deserve to feel good and be happy and look our best, because it's gonna make us be kinder to other people. It's gonna make us happier. It's going to make us the best versions of ourselves so that we can then pour into others that need us. I am excited to finally be back on YouTube. Should we get into the vlog first? Let's get into the vlog first, because yesterday we had a really fun day. We went to the city and we just had a little family day and it was the best time ever. So let's get into the vlog first and then we'll come back and do a little hot mom chatting. We're going to the Museum of Natural History. I'm so excited. Luca's super into dinosaurs. So I'm excited for him to see all the installations and everything. We took him last year. Obviously, he was a lot younger. Was it last year that we took him?
Yeah,
it's been like a little over a year.
He just started to walk. I remember that because he was like
No, because he started to walk in July. We took him like around March, right after his ear surgery, and it was the first time.
But he was like still like waddling and stuff.
No, he wasn't walking like so perfect like now, but it was. I remember because it was the weekend right after he had his ear tube surgery, and it was the first time he said "Mama," because he could finally hear. Because before he used to call me Baba, because he would hear things muffled because his what is it that
there are police reported ahead.
He had
liquid in his ears. He had fluid in his ears. Yeah. So he had the ear tubes procedure on both ears, and the very weekend after, he finally started saying mommy. So I'll never forget that because he said it at the Museum of Natural History. Oh yeah, we were under the tunnel.
You ready to go to the tunnel? Now we're gonna go on the big bridge.
We're gonna go under the tunnel.
Ready to see the bridge?
Ready, baby? Yeah. Woo, we're going under the tunnel. You ready?
Oh, look at the tunnel, Papa.
We're under the tunnel.
And now we're on the bridge.
We made it.
We made it. And look at the water over there. You see it?
Yeah.
Look at New York City.
Look, we made it.
It's New York City, baby.
New York City.
My gorgeous husband.
Look, there's a house here.
I'm so excited to be spending the day in the city.
Yeah.
There's a house here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those are buildings.
Oh, Daddy.
We were in the tunnel, and then we came and went across into the bridge, and then we saw the buses. Remember? Oh, sweet.
Very cool. I'm right here. I'm right here. Whoa, do you see how big they are?
You see another one?
Yeah, honey. Where? Look, honey, look. Oh, go with daddy, go with daddy. Go with daddy. Whoa. Luca, do you see that?
What are they doing?
With a toddler, with a stroller, in a busy museum, where he loves it. At a restaurant, because now I'm feeling a little rusty vlogging in public. Thank you. I love this.
me.
I love it. Serve the coconut wine.
Do you never mixed it too?
A coconut wine?
Yeah.
No. That's a thing?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. There was a song about it too. Usually.
But the city's not too crowded because everyone's away.
I mean,
For the holiday
and it
weekend.
probably doesn't look as packed on the sidewalk as they open up the street for folks to walk. Of course, if you want to keep walking.
I do want to keep walking.
Yeah, we're around 172nd.
You can fell asleep in the stroller. Look who woke up. Baby. You want to tell them where you're eating?
No.
Okay.
She's like, I'm not a fan of the meat and peas. Do you want to walk?
You're so cute. Yeah, I want to watch that.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, it's another bite.
Baby, you like New York.
Look at
You
that
like
one.
New York
Oh, that one's
City?
fast. That one's really
You
fast.
like New York City? Huh, baby? Yeah.
Is it yummy? Are these your favorite fries?
They're
Yeah?
really yummy, right? Yeah.
Our fries are good.
No, they are.
Quality.
No, everything was really good here. What is this called?
Ella Social? Ella
Ella
Social?
Social.
Look, 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 look.
Everything
He's gonna
Luca
get on the
does blows me away. I'm like, oh, look at him drinking his water.
There we go.
I might be able to do coffee now.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. What would, what's this called? Blank?
Blank coffee.
Check that
Everyone I
out.
follow that lives in the city, they always get blank coffee and it looks so good and I want to try it and I think we're near one.
Like a tunnel? Okay.
It's gonna be some toys. Maybe let's see some photos.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we're back, I need you to have a seat because it has been brought to my attention that you think you're not a hot mom. You are absolutely a hot mom. And if you're not feeling that, we're going to change it because I need you to know that you are a hot mom. I want you to feel your best. I want you to be so confident. I want you to know that you are officially part of the Hot Moms Club, led by me. So get comfortable because I'm not gonna shut up about this. I will be talking about this every single week. If you wanna be a hot mom, the first rule of being a hot mom is that you just have to decide that you are going to be a hot mom. But you have to decide, what does that mean for you? So for me, being a hot mom means that I'm a kind person, that I take care of myself, that I get dressed up every day. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Today I'm wearing sweatpants, okay? I'm wearing sweatpants and this pink t-shirt because I wanted to wear pink, but I did my hair, I did my makeup, I feel really great. So what does being a hot mom mean to you? What are the little things that are going to make you feel better? What are the outfits that are going to make you feel confident and are gonna make you feel good? Are you moving your body? Are you putting good things into your body? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you allowing yourself to enjoy fun hobbies? You need to take care of yourself. It is not selfish to take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself so that you can then take care of others in your life. Because as a mom, we tend to put ourselves last. We tend to put everyone else in front of us, our husband, our partners, our kids, and then we forget about ourselves and then we're drained and depleted. And then we're like, how the heck did I end up here? So you are a hot mom, make sure you're taking care of yourself every single day. So I have a little hot mom daily checklist that I want you guys to start implementing into your lives because I swear it works and I go by this every single day. And those of you who have already started doing it because I share it on TikTok and Instagram, you have told me that it helps you. This is my hot mom bare minimum daily checklist. There are two categories. Category number one is appearance. And in appearance, there are 3 sections. There is hair, makeup, and outfit. I just need you to do 2 out of the 3 every day. Like today, I wouldn't consider this like an outfit. I'm just like in loungy clothes, but I have my hair and makeup done. So I crossed out 2 out of the 3. Then category number 2 is mind and body. So in mind and body, I want you to move your body somehow, get your 8 to 10K steps in. I want you to do your morning pages / journaling, whatever you want to call it. And I want you to have a minimum of 5 minutes of decompression, like 5 minutes that are just for you, that nobody can interrupt. Actually, you might get interrupted because if you're a mom, especially of like young kids, you might get interrupted. So I take that back. Like sometimes you're gonna get interrupted, but I need you to just like dedicate 5 minutes to yourself. We all have 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, okay? You can do more if you want. I will be dedicating way more to myself today because I'm home alone. Or out of the mind and body category, you just need to hit 2 out of the 3. Now, if you hit all 6, amazing, perfect. But I just want you to start by doing 2 out of the 3. You know what? It's week 1. So maybe just start hitting 1 out of each category. And then week 2, you'll start implementing the 2 out of the 3. Because you know what's gonna happen once you start doing this? It's going to become easier and you're going to feel so good doing it that you're just gonna wanna wake up and do it. Sometimes I'm feeling a little bit lazy and I'm like, I don't wanna get ready today. I wanna take my PJs. I don't wanna do my hair and my makeup, but whatever. But the minute I at least do a little makeup on, I become so much more productive. I start walking around so confident. I start filming my little videos for TikTok and I feel great. So I'm like, if I'm feeling like this and I'm getting more done around the house, then I'm absolutely gonna keep up with it. I want you to decide that you are a hot mom and I want you to think about what does that mean to me? And I want you to start showing up as her. How does the hot mom version of you dress, speak, act? What colors does she like? What does she eat? Just make up a character. Make up the character that you wanna be. And then I want you to start implementing the Hot Mom Daily Checklist because I feel like that is the simplest way to kind of get into character. And then you could really customize this character for yourself as you start doing these things. And you could really get into like, okay, let me like really build her. Like, how am I gonna dress from now on? How am I gonna dress this summer? Like, whatever you want, make it fun. To me, it's fun. I like playing this role. I have played this role for so long that I have just become her. I am a hot mom. I am your hot mom mentor. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. If you want more hot mom content, I will be posting videos like this every single week. And if you cannot wait for just 1 day a week, then go over to my TikTok and my Instagram because I will be uploading videos every single day. I love you.